Hey y'all, today we're going to install a light on the Dewalt Drywall sander, which makes it much easier to see small imperfections when sanding. So first we need to clean off all the dust. Any cleaning spray will work, so spray it down, then wipe the top and the edges clean. Make sure to get the surrounding areas too so we don't stir up any dust during this process. Next, I'm using a paper towel and rubbing alcohol to further clean the surface. I'll let this dry and then we're ready to install. This is a USB light strip I ordered online for $10. I'll show you the specs here if you want the same one. I also got two USB power banks and they were $9 for the pair. Some people like to mount the battery on the neck here like this, but I'll show you at the end of the video why you shouldn't. Then I did a test fit and cut off most of the extra length I won't need, and also plugged it in just to make sure it still lights all the way to the end, and it does. So now we'll start underneath the neck and just slowly peel off the backing bit by bit as you work your way around. Try to keep it as straight as possible. Okay, so now I left my little tail on. I'm going to cut it on one of those lines right at the end, and we'll stick the last bit. Now, the reason I didn't mount the power supply up here on the neck is because as the machine swivels, the head pivots like this, it will put stress on that cable. And the way the cable is routed, if it pulls away from here, it's going to want to pull off. So what I did was bring the cable around to this side so it's going the way it wants to go, like this, and I lined it up right here. I've taken this Velcro 10-pound strength and I cut a piece because the edges of my power supply are curved, so I cut the corners off to keep the Velcro from peeling up over time. And I've had this set up for a year and these things have never fallen off once on a job.